I've been in the laundry here at Hobby for about 10 years, and we've made blankets for the nursing homes for many years. When Warden England got to Hobby, she wanted to start some programs for female offenders. I'm a quilter in the world. It was an easy transition to go from making those blankets to quilting. So we asked her about starting a quilting class, and she was all for it. So we got donations, we got machines donated, fabric donated, everything you would need to make a quilt has been donated. We'll make this and everybody will do a block.
It's called Stitches of Love and Hope. It's exciting to know that we're gonna be able to be making quilts for the nursing homes.
People think it's an old lady project, but really it's not. So I like seeing the younger generation here starting to quilt, and then they'll be able to take it home and make, quilts for their children or grandchildren or their own family members.
It's very fulfilling, and it makes us happy and excited to know that somebody else is gonna receive them and enjoy what we've created. We get to pick our own material, and it's creative. They all have their own tastes and colors, and I like dark colors. But I've noticed that if you mix some brighter colors with it, it just makes the whole thing pop. So I'm learning how to be able to mix colors. You can just tell everybody's different style. But we're all making the same quilt, but in the end it's different because we all have our different tastes.
You want that white seam to be right there.
I did not think I would be teaching quilting in here, but I enjoy teaching it. I like seeing their knowledge change from whenever the very first project they did. There are only 3 projects from that, and they're very meticulous about getting it right.
We're learning everything that we can so that they can bring more people in and we can help them. I like to learn something and pass it on to other people. I don't like to just keep everything that I've learned to myself. It's not fulfilling. It's good to be able to teach other people and just see them smile and light up when they learn something new too, and just to know that you've helped them learn that, it's exciting, it's fulfilling.